everyone, my name is Queenie Beck and I'm the project manager of this project. First of all, I would like to introduce our company, Phi Construction. Our company was established on 2002 and our CIDB grade is G7. Our company is located at the Jalan Raja Laut, Taman Indah Jaya, 55100, Kuala Lumpur. So next, I would like to introduce my team members. So first of all, I'm the project manager, Queenie Beck. Next, Aida Afifa is the quantity surveyor. Ang Jingbo is the site manager. Lee Payment is in the QA/QC team. And finally, Tae Chun Wei is our safety manager. Next, this is our project title, which is Pembinaan Banglo di Taman Sentosa 25300 Kuantan, Pahang. Our project is located at Jalan Air Puteh 2, Taman Sentosa 25300 Kuantan, Pahang. This is our project bungalow. Our project will start on 30th May 2022 until 30th May 2023. So the overall duration for our project will be 365 days, which is 1 year. So in this project, these are all the elements that will include in this project. First of all, the organization breakdown structure, OBS, the critical path method, CPM, and also the method we've used is the arrow or knots, AON. Next will be the work breakdown structure, WBS, code analysis, as well as the Gantt chart. So the type of PMC adopted in our project is the traditional method, which is design, bid, build. So in this method, we have 3 stages. First stage is the design stage, which the owner contract with a design consultant. The consultant will create the complete design documents that meets the owner's need for the project. And in the document, including all the aesthetic and also the design consideration, square footage specification, and also the overall building cost. Next, stage 2 will be the bid stage. The owner will find the contractor to perform the work and bring the design to the fruition. During the bid process, the contractor competes for the project based on the cost and also the scope of work. Stage 3 is the build stage. Contractor will oversee the construction process, including hiring, managing subcontractor to complete the day-to-day building tasks. The architect will also perform the administrative project management tasks. Next, the organization breakdown structure, OBS. This is our OBS for our project, Phi Construction. The project manager, QA/QC team, safety manager, quantity surveyor, as well as the site manager. Next will be the type of organization structure. So the type we use in this project is the project organization structure. The project manager has all power and authorities. The resources are utilized in the project work. The team members and all the resources will be released when the project is completed. So this is our brief project plan. First of all, the employment of large machine. So as you can see here, the list of machines that we'll use is like excavators, backhoes, loaders, pavers, power driving equipment, and so on. Next, the project manager will plan, organize, stop, direct, and also control the entire project's progress. So the working days for our project will based on Kuantan, where our project is on Kuantan, which is Monday to Fridays, and the working hours is the same as well. Based on Kuantan, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Ang Jingbo, the site manager of this project. So the first thing I want to talk about is the meta statements. So the meta statements is something like the standard operation procedures or the requirements during the construction project. So as you can see, as an example, in our site work, we are site clearing, setting out soil test, fitting out, install security system. So there are requirements during these stages. So you can refer to our e-portfolio report for the full method statements. We still consist of substructures, construction, superstructure constructions, internal works and external works. So the next part is our work breakdown structures. So as you can see, the first component is our site works, second component is our substructure constructions, third component is the superstructure constructions, fourth is the internal works, and the fifth is the external works. So in our site works, we have site clearing, setting out soil tests, fitting out security system installations. And for the substructure constructions, we consist of foundations constructions. And for the superstructure constructions, since this is a triple-story bungalow, so we have the ground floor, second floor, roof floor, and upper roof floor constructions, including the staircase. And for the internal works, we have the masonry works, doors and windows installations, plumbing works, M&E works, and finishes. And for the external works, we have drainage system installations, sewerage system installations, finishes. So we can convert this this list into our WBS. So this is our WBS. All the info insights is just the same as the previous list. So thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Junwei, one of the project team members of this project. Now we will proceed to the project scheduling. From the list of the activities, we can clearly see all the tasks in this project with the expected start date and the end date of every single task. This whole project will start on 30 May 2022 and expect to end on 30 May 2023 based on our schedule. In order to analyze our project schedule, the PERT analysis is used. There are three components needed in this analysis. They are the optimistic time, which is the shortest time duration, the pessimistic time, the longest time duration, and the most likely time, which represent the most likely time taken for the activity to be done if it is repeated for many times. With these three components, we can now calculate the expected time TE and the project variance V. After that, the network diagram is being constructed to find the critical path of this project so that we can get the overall project duration based on the critical path, which is 365 days. When this project is requested to be done in 55 weeks, which is 385 days, it actually has a possibility of 99.82% to be success, while there's only a chance of 0.18% for this project to be failed to complete before the due date. However, we still need to carry out this construction project strictly following the schedule we planned, so this project can be done smoothly and satisfying.
I'm Raymond. So today I will talk about Gantt chart. So actually in our mindset, what is Gantt chart? The Gantt chart is a visual representation that shows a relationship between a start and end date of a task or a milestone among other things. So the Gantt chart is used to keep the bird's eye views of undertakings. Next, we will also outline all the activities involved in a project against the time scale. And Gantt chart is a great way to manage the project easily and simply. Okay, we can see in the Gantt chart. So I simplified to 3 tables, which is what, when, and who. So for the what is the activities of the project, and the when is the duration, and the who is the responsible or a team for complete each of the task activities of the project. So, the Gantt chart also shows the orders in which the task or activities will be accomplished. Okay, let's go see our Gantt chart. So in our project, we started at 30 May 2022 and ended on 30 May 2023. So our project durations is 1 year, which is 365 days. In our project, we condense 8 phases. The first phase is preliminary design, which is site work. We condense 22 days. And the next is substructural construction, is installing the pipe. So we take 26 days to complete. And the third is superstructure construction, which is the slab, beam and column for the ground, first and second floor. We take 212 days. And for the next internal works, we take 150 days to do the plastering, painting and plumbing work. Okay, the fifth is external work, which for drainage and sewage system and take 38 days to complete. And site clearing we take 3 days. Final inspection is 1 week, which is 7 days. And last is handover. We hand over the project to the client. Yes, thank you.
Hi, my name is Aida Afifah Bahari. I am the quantity surveyor for Pi Construction. Now I'm going to present about project costing. It is the process of estimating, allocating and controlling project costs. To get the project costing, we must list all the activity that we do, the duration, the direct cost and indirect cost for each activity. Next, we calculate the total cost and average cost per day. We sum up the total cost. We got 2 million RM 2,291,450. Not forget, we also must state the start and finish date for each activity. Next, the S-curve. It is to measure projects, evaluate performance and make cash flow forecasts. To get the S-curve, first we must know the sum daily and sum total. The cumulative cost must same with the total cost that we got just now, which is 2,291,450 ringgit. We got the same value. Then we can get the S-curve. We got from the sum total and also the date of each activity. Last but not least is summary. The construction will take 365 days to complete all this construction activity. The project starts on